In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Google Home Mini the right way and things you need to know. The first thing is there are two Google Home Minis, and you find this out by seeing if there is a screw on the back, and that would indicate that it's a second generation. Most videos go put it on mute, and then it'll tell you it's on mute, and then press and hold for 5 seconds till it blinks, and no blinking, no nothing. Then the next thing they tell you is to go to the outlet and plug in, plug out, plug in, plug out, you know, and 11 times. They don't tell you that you got to wait to see the 4 lights on the front first before unplugging, and that constitutes, it says one, unplug and plug in. But the thing is, with this first generation one that doesn't have the plug, a little hole on the back to indicate it, this one actually has a, let's go right here, see right there, there's a reset button. So let's go ahead and press it and hold. Oh, look at that, guys.
You're about to completely reset Google Home.
Boom.
Cancel, release the button.
See, I'm not canceling because I want to do it. And it goes through its motions. Now you'll be able to pair it at another house, sell it, you know, otherwise it retains the information through the Google Home app that labels it as like living room speaker or something like that. And now it's fresh to go at a new spot. If you try to do this, you know, without selling it without it, they have to go figure out how to reset it and stuff and the models and things.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And that's what you need to hear to know that it's fully reset. Now you can put the Google Home app that looks like this on your phone, or recommend that to the person you're selling it to, and they can go through all the crazy, supposedly intuitive way to link them all up for the bedrooms, which is pretty cool once you get it going. You can have home theater in every floor of your house playing the same song, bathroom, home, your living room, your bedroom. It's all pretty cool. And remember, it listens to you. So anyway, if you like product recommendations, then this is okay. Conspiracy stuff, not so good. Okay, well, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe, because we all want to stay in touch with people that know technical stuff like me. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.